Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this DICOFUN peel and stick backsplash. So my wife has been installing it and she really does like it, and we're going to describe it.
What I really like about it is that it's bendable, so you could kind of put it up here. You could see how much you might need in order to cut it first. And then when you do cut it, it does cut very well with scissors. It's very easy. And the peel and stick on the back, how easy that comes off. And you might want to just peel a little bit at a time and stick it up there and then, peel it back some more. And what I also like is that when these interlock together, they fit together very tightly, like so. Hold on.
Okay, let's get a measurement. So from end to end is 12 inches. And then top to bottom, about 11 and 5/8, 11 and 3/4, but 11 and 3/4. This is the black gray. And again, it does look really nice. It's got some thickness to it. Hard to see the seams. Interlocks really well and just looks really, really nice. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.